going on, man? Glad y'all came back. Got a little more footage for you. Yeah, man, we in traffic right now, man. Y'all know. Well, of course y'all know. I think that might have been the last video. Y'all went and got the GoPro, right? So, it came with a memory card. It was a 8 gig memory card. 8 gig memory card, man. So what we about to do? We about to shoot the Office Depot, man. We need to up them gigs, cause that 8 gig, that ain't gonna get it. Also, man, I know y'all can hear my background, man. Goddamn, binge watching my dog, man. Really Reels. Y'all don't know Really Reels, man. That was the my dog with the Daytona 392, man. The Daytona 392, man. He was out here in Memphis for a minute, man. He moved to Charlotte. So yeah, man, I'm binge watching my dog, man, while I'm riding, man. Like I said, finna go to Office Depot and up these gigs right quick. I hope he don't copyright me with this music he playing, man. Oh, Really Reels. Yeah, man, he was showing, Really Reels was showing me, man, all them features, man, with the 392, man. He had me thinking, man. He had me thinking. Like, man, is this what I want to do? Man, how they do this? See, this is what I be talking about, bro. Look. How they get down there? I don't know. Yeah. Y'all see it. Boy, Really Reels, man. Really Reels. What up, dog? Man, shout out to my dog, man. Shout out to Really. Hey. You know when I come out there, you got smoke, right? Just thought I'd let you know. But yeah, man. I'm headed out here, man, so make a video out of it. I'll pick the camera up, man, when I get out here, man, so y'all can see what's going on. Yeah, so we back, man. I'll swap this thing out. Well, I ain't gonna say swap it out. Went and bought. It was a 64 gig. That was a 64 gig. It's crazy because they use the minis. So that little junk right there. See how they pop that? Little mini, I don't even know what kind it is. I only use Sanders, so I don't even know what kind this is. I ain't even put nothing on it yet, so I might just put something on it just because. But yeah. Yeah. How does this work? Okay, it's the same. I be trying not to touch the little metal prongs or whatever. But yep, you just, yeah, see that? Stick it up in there like that. And we good to go. See how many minutes it give me now. Woo! 2 hours and 48 minutes of recording time. The other one was like, the 8 gig was like 20, I think it was like 21 minutes and 2 seconds. So this one give me 2 hours. Y'all see it? Can you see it? Let me see. Alright, you probably can see it now. No, you probably can't. I just did something. I don't know what I did. Man, come on, man. You still can't see it, huh? There you go. 2 hours, 48 minutes of recording time. So, yeah, I'm cool with that. I already got an adapter, so, but it comes with an adapter too, just in case you want to use it in, you know, with the regular memory cards or whatever. So, yeah. But yeah, man. GoPro activated just in time for the show Sunday. And I got some more news for y'all too, but I'm gonna hold that under wraps right now. I'm gonna hold that under wraps. I've only talked to 2 people about this. So yeah, I only talked to 2 people, so don't nobody really know. But I will let y'all know in due time. Just know, damn, bro. Just know it's about to be epic. It's about to be epic. That's about to be I don't even know what else to say it's about to be. It's gonna be epic though. And after this, after I do this right here, man, I'm talking about it's finna bring something different to the channel. It's finna bring something different, period. They're gonna have to put some respect on my name after this. They're gonna have to. It's definitely gonna bring my new subscribers. It's definitely gonna bring that. Definitely. Without a doubt. It's gonna be epic, dog. It's gonna be. It ain't gonna be nothing to bat your eye at, man. It's gonna be yeah, it's gonna be that dog. So yeah. Oh my God, the train coming. Man, I should have knew that. But yeah, man, it's what's the saying now? It's up there. Damn, now my camera low. But yeah, man, that's really all I wanted to see y'all to see, man. I was just going to Office Depot to get there for the GoPro in time for the show Sunday, man. I'm gonna stick the GoPro on the car, so that's what we doing, man. But it's your boy Beelo 25, man. It is what it is.